Hello everyone, today let's check out the Univapo Unix TPD version. Both TPD version and the regular version have the dust-proof cap, the mask of your drip tip. The greatest feature of TPD version is the atomizer got dual childproof lock. First one is on the top, and the second one is on the bottom. Let's check the first one. Capacity of this tank is 2 ml. And you can see the filling ring is movable. When you fill the juice, you lift up the filling ring and rotate to the right until you see the juice filling hole. After you fill the juice, rotate back and lock again. One more time. Lift up, rotate, fill, rotate, lock. It's easy. And the second one is on the bottom. You can see the air hole, and you can adjust the airflow by rotating the airflow ring. But if you want to take off the bottom part, for example, you need to change the coil. You need to push the button up and rotate it, then it can be opened. If you don't push it up first, you will only adjust the airflow. So, let's fill some juice and give it a try. Lift, rotate, fill juice. In the meantime, you may know that there is a silicone on the filling hole. This is aimed to prevent the liquid from coming out after you fill the juice. Let's enjoy vaping.